Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some dirty cabbage, which is so quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box listed down below. So here I have my ground beef, which I'm adding to my onions and celery. Allow this to cook down. Then you're going to add your tomato paste and some sofrito or green seasoning for additional color and flavor. Add your cabbage, season to your likeness and taste. Allow it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it, guys. You can go ahead here, which I did. I could have stopped here, but I went ahead and I add a little bit of purple cabbage and some bell peppers. Allow this to cook for 3 to 4 minutes and it's done. That's your dirty cabbage recipe. I hope you guys enjoy. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.